Okay, so we're here at SK Speed today, and I'm going to compare two mechanical pumps. They're both small block Chevy application. The Holley pump is a little bit cheaper than the Edelbrock on the retail side, but I do want to point out some differences that I kind of feel personally the Edelbrock is a better pump. The Holley pump, the first thing you'll notice on the in and out, the fuel outlet is 3/8 pipe thread, but the hole inside I measured a little over 5/16. On comparison, the Edelbrock pump with the same pipe thread has a full bore on its outlet. I don't know if this would improve any flow, but I don't really see a point in restricting that hole if you have 3/8 pipe thread. The other major thing that has seen a lot of failures in the past is the fulcrum piece for the mechanical pump. There's a pin right here that goes through. That pin they're putting inside the casting, and they're using a swedging procedure to push the aluminum over the pin so the pin doesn't pop out. On the Edelbrock, they actually have a full casting and they drive the pin in through the side. To me, this is a sturdier design and a lot less chance of failure on the Edelbrock. And we have seen some of the Holley ones, especially on a big block application, where the pin is popped out of place and this fulcrum tips to the side and you lose fuel pressure. Another thing we noticed was the casting. I've had a lot of these Holleys where they crack around here. I would say it could have been just a line of pumps that maybe had a problem with the casting. We don't get it often, but it has happened. I do notice on the Edelbrock pump, one of the major things you notice is the casting and the whole assembly is made in the USA, where on the Holley pump, it is casted in Korea. And when you take a look, the spring location on the Holley seems to be arced out a lot more where it goes into the fulcrum. The Edelbrock seems to be tucked in place. Tucked in place a little bit better there. And I do get worried about that spring popping out of position. The Edelbrock overall seems to be a better, well-built piece.